So is this what they mean by a saw? The frequency there, the waveform? Looking at it on the oscilloscope. Let's see, because I look at this. So I mess with this. Alright, back to oscilloscope. And we just see how it changes the waveform. Just fucking interesting shit. There we go. Is that flat? Little sharp here, and then is that what they call flat? Is that why it's called flat? And that why it's called sharp? Maybe. I wonder where the major and minor and all that came from. Interesting. It's fun just playing with all the different